Make sure that you subscribe!
Hello, welcome to my graded Études in the style of the Rock School syllabus for electric guitar. They're performed at 70 beats per minute, they're in standard tuning in common time, and they're all demonstrated with a standard rock tone with some light distortion from my Wampler tumnus pedal. As somebody who may never have played an etude before, or if you still have some experience playing them, it is generally going to be a good idea for you to focus on mastering the required fingerboard shapes, the scale fragments, and the individual techniques before you attempt to tackle them in their entirety. You can download 2 of the backing tracks along with their full tablature sheets via the Google Drive link in the video description below for free. However, if you would like to access the other 6, they are available on my Patreon page for £10. I hope that you find them useful and let me know what you think of them in the comments.